Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a customer journey with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. Select Customer Journey from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Journey button to start a new project. Choose a template that aligns with your business goals. If needed, customize the template to suit your brand style and messaging. Add key stages to your customer journey, such as awareness, consideration, and decision. For each stage, define specific goals that you want to achieve. In the awareness stage, identify touchpoints where potential customers first interact with your brand. Consider channels like social media, blog posts, and email campaigns. In the consideration stage, outline how you will provide relevant content that nurtures leads. Use tools like lead magnets, webinars, and case studies to keep prospects engaged. In the decision stage, focus on converting leads into customers. Determine the calls to action that will drive conversions, such as free trials or consultations. As you build each stage, add appropriate automation to streamline processes. Incorporate personalization to enhance the customer experience at each touchpoint. Review analytics tools available in HubSpot to measure the effectiveness of your journey. Utilize feedback loops to gather insights from your customers about their experience. Make adjustments to your customer journey based on data and feedback. Once satisfied with your journey, click on the Publish button to make it live. Regularly revisit your customer journey to optimize it over time based on changing market conditions. This ensures that your strategy remains relevant and effective in meeting customer needs. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive customer journey using HubSpot that drives engagement and conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.